So hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can simply use Helium 10. Well, so I have also provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out. So if you sign up or if you click the referral link, then you will get the free reward so over there. So please check the referral link and please sign up through the referral link so that you will get reward. Well, so what Helium 10 actually does and what is this platform, okay, I'll tell you each and every details over there. So here you can see drive results with the powerful tools. So generally this is like SEO and content writing all-in-one tool, like product research, keyword research, listing optimization, maintenance. So generally it provides us the information about the product. So if you want to search for the varieties of product, then you can simply use this Helium 10, the AI tool. So and after that like keyword research, so to optimization for SEO optimization, search engine optimization, you can simply use these tools as a keyword research. So listing optimization, you can simply use this tool as to find the list over there, and you can simply optimize. And for the maintenance also, so you can simply use this as a maintenance also. So this is a very good platform for you. So if you want to use, then Helium 10 is the best platform for you. So now let's move towards the pricing. So what are the pricing and what are the plans over there? So here are the diamond, platinum and starter plan. For starter is $29 and for platinum is $79 and for the diamond is $229. So simply you can see the features over there. What are the features you can simply get from these? So you can see the overview over there. What are the features you can simply get? Product research, keyword research. What are the things that you can easily get through the pricing? So according to the pricing, so you can simply purchase so according to your needs. So if you want like for product only, or if you need for keyword research only, then you can simply do through it. So here are the different tools. So what are the tools you can simply use, or what are the tools that you can simply go through it? So here you can see like sign up, like Amazon keyword research tools. So I want to purchase, but I have to do sign up over there. So first of all I need to do sign up, so later on I'll do this. Okay, so here you can see the sign up form. Okay, create your account, first name and your name, email address, passport over there. So I have filled this information over there. So simply you can see. So after that you need to divert, so it will divert to us the payment section. So you need to add your visa, a card number, your country name, your full name and your CVC number, your expiry date of the card. Simply you have to provide all the details information over there. So simply card number, please enter your card number, either it's Visa card or it's MasterCard or anything else that is available in your country and that is available. Okay, simply you can go through it. So now name on the card and date expiry, CVC code, everything you need to proceed over there. So after that you can simply complete payment. So after tapping on complete payment, then you can simply pay through E. After login, you can see the interface over there. I have successfully logged in the Helium 10. So here you can see like home, product research, keyword research. So what are the features you want to take, then simply you can take over there. So please fill the details, payment details, your all the information over there. After that you will be able to log in Helium 10. So I have successfully logged in, and you can see like tools, profit, and portals, freedom tickets, everything it is just showing. So it is the best platform for you. So if you want to do for the product research, keyword research, then this is the best platform for you. You can simply purchase these. So many people use this platform, and they had a very good review to this platform as well. So now here you can see like what are the tools that you can simply get after register the Helium 10 over there. So simply you will get these types of things like dashboard, key product research, keyword research, listing optimization, operation, analytics, marketing. So it can be used for the marketing also. So simply you can see the trends. So what are the like popular products available in the store. So simply you can research on it and sell it to the market according to the public demand or public needs. So here each and everything you can do. Like for the marketing also, it is the best platform for you. For the product research, for the keyword research, so according to the keyword research and the traffic, so you can simply generate the keywords, and you can simply apply towards the product. So here you can see the blog also. If you want to read the article over there, so simply they have provided the blog, Helium 10 blog. So if you want to read, then you can simply go through it. So it's just free, so no need to just sign up. Also you can simply use this. So I have okay, so let me show you something like what are the okay. So here also you can see access 30 plus tools to take your business to the next level. So basically this is for the marketing, product research, keyword research, listing optimization, operations, analytics, marketing. So basically it is for the marketing. So for keyword research, SEO, marketing, product research, it's also marketing. So everything it belongs to the marketing. So it only targets for the marketing purpose. So I have provided the referral link. Please don't forget to use this link to get free reward over there. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more content. So till then, bye bye and take care. But don't forget to use our referral code and referral link, which is in the description box. So thank you. Please like and share to our channel. Thank you.